Hola dancers, Bridgette Maria and my student Misael. I just had a lesson with him and we were working on this very important technique for turning the lady. There's two ways that you can turn the lady, actually more than two ways. But what muscles you're using is really important. He's going to turn me from his back to show a good technique and a good lead and follow technique. And what that does is it takes the pressure off the girl's shoulder when you're turning her. It's very accurate and precise. And then I'm going to show you the wrong way to do it because a lot of people use this technique in the salsa clubs. So whenever he's going to turn me, it's really important that he's already engaged in his back muscle. He's using his back, I'm using my back. And when he goes to turn me off a basic J, 1, 2, 3, and he goes back, he uses his back to circle and turn me. Okay, let's do that one more time. So I'm going to focus on my turn, 1, 2, so he's going to circle, 5, 6, 7. So he's turning me from his back muscle. A lot of people, when they turn the lady, they use the shoulder. And what that does is if the arm pushes forward, it pushes the lady away from the turn. And it actually stops her. So if he was to do the same turn but push forward, I can't go forward. There's a stop. So I have to end up veering and going a different direction. Most girls go this way because they don't have anywhere to go. So they spin sideways. But you don't want to do that because it doesn't help the lady with the turn. Actually stops her. So we're going to do it one more time the correct way using the back muscle. He's going to lift and turn me from the back like if he was stirring a big stew. Okay, and you can pick if it's chili or lentils or whatever. So 1, 2, 3, 5. And so that was good because there's no pressure on my shoulder and I feel a really good lead. Now he's going to do it with 2 hands. This is where it gets worse usually for the leads is they push forward when we're coming forward. So he's going to again use his back. 1, 2, 3, and then he will turn and then scoop turn. Okay, we're going to do it one more time, and then I'm going to have him change his hands on count 3. So he's going to go 1, 2, 3, circle, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we're going to do it from the other side. So his goal, which we were working on today, is to learn to lead me from his back and not from the shoulders. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5. Okay, so there I'm able to move with him. I'm going to stop him on count 3. This is where the leads have to change their hands. So he's going 1, 2, 3. So he's telling me the direction I'm turning. As he goes back, he circles from his back. There's our connection. Then he goes into his turn. He turns me from his back and then out. So next time I'm going to show how to stretch the shoulders. Another problem for the leads is if they're really tight in the shoulders, then if they're really tight, they tend to be tight when they're turning the girl. And I'm going to show some exercises on how to open up your range of motion in your shoulders that's going to actually help your salsa. Yes, good job. All right. Thank you.